I've been pretty excited lately, seeing one or two pelicans turn up down at the lake park at the ponds. But this is next level today. I think everyone's decided this is the place to be. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pelicans. How cool is this? This is an unusual sight. They haven't turned up here in the last decade that I've been here. So this is pretty new. It's only been this year, and we've always had the swans, and the swans still around. Not in as great a numbers as they used to be. But yeah, now it's pelicans have decided to come make this place one of their homes. Pretty fantastic. Just thought I'd come round to the side for a bit of a better view. Yeah, relax. They've made themselves right at home here. They're good and such huge birds. So when they take off and fly, I'm sure anyone else who's ever seen them would know. Just massive wingspan. Yeah, known for that massive beak. Look at that. It's so cool. So cool. Well, I really hope they stick around. I'm enjoying having them here. Just amazing looking birds.